Hello dear students, myself Dr. Lakshmama HR, working as an assistant professor, Department of Commerce and Management, Dr. S. Gopal Raju, Government President College, Anekal, Bangalore District. Today's session we are going to discuss the problems on Spearman's rank correlation. So in the previous session we have solved some problems on rank correlation. In the rank correlation there are three methods for computing the problem. When ranks are not given, when ranks are given, and when ranks are similar. So in the previous session we have solved some problems on when ranks are not given. So similarly we have to continue the same similar method of problems. So see the problem. Marks scored by 6 participants in a beauty contest assigned by 2 judges given below. So here the number of participants are 6 participants. So n is equal to 6. So calculate rank correlation after assigning the ranks. So here the ranks are not given. So the ranks are not given, only the marks the judges are allotted. Marks by judge 1 and judge 2. The beauty contest, 6 participants are participating in beauty contest and the 2 judges are they are allotting the marks here. The marks allotted by judge 1 are 30, 36, 47, 48, 32 and 28. Marks allotted by judge 2 is 28, 38, 49, 46, 30 and 26. So this is the problem. Now let us see how we have to solve the problem. See, let us take judge 1 as x variable and judge 2 as y variable. So two variables for calculating the correlation coefficient, x variable and y variable. So this is Spearman's rank correlation. So x variable and y variable. Whatever the x values is there, you have to take as it is the x variable. Judge 1, they are allotted the marks 30, 36, 47, 48, 32 and 28. Judge 2 allotted marks as 28, 38, 49, 46, 30 and 26. So these two judges, they are allotted the marks to the participant. So based on this, we are allot the ranks. This is first method when ranks are not given. So in this x value, which is the highest number is 48. So highest score is 48. So 48 marks and yaar tagondirtare avrige neevu first rank anna allot ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So those candidates who score 48 assign first rank. So 48 first rank, 47 next highest is 47 allowed second rank, next highest is 36 allowed third rank, next highest is 32 allowed fourth rank, next highest is 30 so allowed fifth rank. At the same time next highest is 28, so he is the least scorer, so for him you allot 6 marks, sixth rank. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth rank based on the marks given by judges. Okay. See students, similarly we have to calculate the, we have to allot the marks for the R2 based on judge 2. Judge 2 is y variable. So in this y variable, which is highest marks is 49. So for him, you allot first rank. So after 49, second highest is 46. To him, you allot second rank. Next highest is 38. You give to him third rank. So next highest is fourth rank. 30 marks, fourth rank. Next highest is 28, fifth rank. Next highest is 26, sixth rank. Okay. After giving ranks to the candidates R1 and R2, we have to make it as D. D is equal to R1 minus R2. That is equal to R1 is 5, R2 is 5. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Similarly, after calculating D, what we have to do, the next process, next step is we have to make it as d square. After find outing b, we have to make it as d square. D square is nothing but we have to make d as d square. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0. Now we have find out the d square. The total of d square, it comes to 2, only 2, 1 and 2. Okay, this is how we have to make the table. X variable, y variable, R1, R2, D and D square. Okay. Next is we have to put the values to the formula. R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n cube minus n. This is the formula for calculating rank correlation. See students, this is the formula for calculating rank correlation. Now R is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square, we got 2. Is it 2 divided by n is equal to number of items. So n is equal to number of items, that is 6 cube minus 6, that is equal to 1 minus 12. 6 2s are 12 divided by 6 into 6 into 6. So 216 minus 6, that is equal to 1 minus 12 divided by 216 minus 6, will get 210. So that is equal to 1 minus 0.05, you will get 0.95. Okay, see here R is equal to 0.95. So in the previous session, as I told you, for this rank correlation method, in the exam they are asked comment. You have to give comment also. Comment is nothing but either you are getting positive correlation or negative correlation. You have to give conclusion. This is an important part. Okay, there is high degree of positive correlation between marks by judge 1 and marks by judge 2. It is nothing but whatever the marks allotted by judge 1 and judge 2, there is a positive relationship. Okay, that is called as positive relationship. R is equal to 0.95. Okay, students. Now let us move to the next problem. So this is second method of problem. So what we have done in the previous slide, when ranks are not given, first method. This is second method, when ranks are given. In the problem itself, the judges itself, they are allotted the marks. How we have to find out the ranks? This is second method, when ranks are given. Okay, ranks are given in a music contest assigned by 2 judges are given below. Calculate rank correlation. Here also judge 1 and judge 2, judge A, judge B, and these are the participants. How many number of participants participating in a competition? 8 participants. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 participants. They are participating in the music contest. Okay, this is the problem. Now, if the ranks are given in the problem itself, what you will do? You have to find out R1 and R2 directly. That is, as it is, whatever in the problem they are given, directly you take like that. 4, 5, 8, 6, 7, 3, 1, 2, similarly. Okay, R2 also similarly you have to take the values. 7, 5, 4, 1, 3, 2, 6, 8. Okay. This is, they are given in the problem itself, that we have to take. Let us take judge A rank as X variable and judge B ranks as Y variable. So previous method alli nave find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು R1 minus R1 ಮತ್ತೆ R2 ನ, but ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು R1 and R2 ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. They itself given in the problem. So directly you can compute D as well as D square. How to find out D? Similarly, what we are make in the previous previous method. Similarly, R1 minus R2 is equal to D. So 4 minus 7 minus 3, 5 minus 5, 0, 8 minus 4, 4, 6 minus 1, 5, 7 minus 3, 4, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 6, minus 5, 2 minus 8, minus 6. Okay, like that. Similarly, we have to make the D. D ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? R1 minus R2 ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ? Similarly, we have to make it as D square. Whatever the value we are find out at D, as we have to make it as D square. So 3 into 3, 9, 0 into 0, 0, 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 5, 25, 4 into 4, 16, 1 into 1, 1, 5 into 5, 25, 6 into 6, 36. Okay, see students, after find out in D, we have to make it as D square. D square, whatever the D square total we will get, it is called as sigma D square. Okay, this is called sigma D square 128. Okay, next step is we have to make we have to put the values to the formula. So R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n cube minus n. This is the formula for calculating regression. Okay, so correlation, regression. So correlation is equal to 1 minus 6 into 128 divided by 8 cube. 8 is number of items. So 8 cube minus 8, that is equal to 1 minus 6 into 128, 768 divided by 8 into 8 into 8, you will get 512 minus 8. So 1 minus 768 divided by 504, 504, that is equal to 1.11 minus 1.52. 1 minus 768 divided by 504, 1.52. Okay, so that is equal to R is equal to 1 minus 1.52. 1.52 is more, therefore we are here getting minus 0.52. Okay, so therefore the conclusion is there is moderate negative degree correlation between ranks by judge A and judge ranks by judge B. Means there is a negative relationship or negative correlation between marks allotted by judge A and judge B. Okay, like this we have to compute the problem when ranks are given in the problem itself. Okay, now let us move to the next sum. Two ladies were asked to rank 7 different brand of sarees as listed below. Okay, this is round A, B, C, D, E, F, G. They are given how many rounds? 7 rounds. Okay, lady 1 and lady 2, they are allotted the marks, they are allotted the ranks. So calculate rank correlation coefficient. For these two contests, we have to find out the rank correlation. Okay, let us take lady 1 first rank as X variable and lady 2 ranks as Y variable. So similarly, we have to calculate the problem. So in the when ranks are given, they itself given the ranks in the problem. ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ranks ಅನ್ನ R1 ಮತ್ತೆ R2 ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗ we have to calculate only D as well as D square. We have to calculate D as well as D square. How to calculate D? Similarly, R1 minus R2, you will get D square. 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 7 minus 6, 1, 6 minus 7 minus 1, 7, 4 minus 3, 1, 5 minus 5, 0. Okay, like this we have to calculate the D value. After find outing D value, we make D as a D square. Okay, D na D square ge change ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. D square ge change ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0. So this D square will constitute 12. This is sigma D square ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? See students here, how to find out D square? The total of D square will be 12 marks. Okay, 12, the total is 12. So after find outing 12, what we have to do now? Next step is we have to put the values to the formula. So 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n cube minus n. This is the formula for calculating the rank correlation. So 1 minus 6 into 12 divided by 7. 7 is number of participants or number of items. So 7 cube minus 7. So R is equal to 1 minus 6 into 12, 72 divided by 7 into 7 into 7, 343 minus 7. So you will get 1 minus 72 divided by 336, that is equal to 1 minus 0.21. So 0.21, we are get 72 divided by 336. Now R is equal to 0.79. 0.79. Conclusion, there is high positive degree correlation between ranks by lady 1 and ranks by lady 2. So whatever the ranks that are ladies, they are given lady 1 and lady 2, there is a positive correlation between these two variables. X variable ku matte Y variable ku positive correlation ide anta tilkondve alva. So similarly, you practice whatever the questions they are given in the question bank with the rank correlation. When the ranks are not given, we are already computed, and when the ranks are given. Okay, next similar type of problems we continue in the next class. Okay, thank you.